Welcome to the Psychology and Prosperity channel, where we journey through the mind, spirit, and beyond with Master Sampath. Today, we dive into a fascinating topic that has intrigued many for centuries and continues to be a cornerstone of holistic wellness: chakras. These mysterious energy centers in our bodies hold the key to unlocking our full potential, balancing our lives, and achieving inner peace. Have you ever wondered why you feel different emotions in different parts of your body, or why certain experiences seem to resonate in specific areas? By the end of this video, you'll discover a simple but profound explanation that might change how you see yourself and your place in the universe. So stay tuned, because there's a surprising insight waiting for you at the end. Make yourself comfortable, and we'll begin. Chakras, often depicted as spinning wheels or discs of light, are believed to be centers of spiritual power within the human body. The concept of chakras originates from ancient Indian spiritual traditions and has been embraced worldwide for its holistic approach to well-being. There are 7 main chakras, each located at a specific point along the spine, from the base to the crown of the head. These chakras are thought to influence not only our physical well-being, but also our emotional and spiritual states. Let's start with the root chakra, located at the base of the spine. It is associated with the color red and symbolizes our foundation and feeling of being grounded. This chakra is linked to our basic survival needs, such as food, shelter, and safety. When the root chakra is balanced, we feel secure and confident in our ability to withstand challenges. However, an imbalance can manifest as anxiety, fear, or a lack of focus. Moving up, we find the sacral chakra, located just below the navel and associated with the color orange. This chakra governs our creative energies and emotions. It's the center of our passion, pleasure, and joy. When our sacral chakra is in harmony, we experience a healthy relationship with ourselves and others, enjoy the pleasures of life, and embrace our creativity. On the other hand, an imbalance may lead to emotional instability, lack of creativity, or sexual issues. The solar plexus chakra is located in the upper abdomen, around the stomach area, and is linked to the color yellow. This chakra represents our personal power, self-esteem, and confidence. It's the seat of our identity and ego. A balanced solar plexus chakra allows us to assert ourselves and have a clear sense of direction. When it's out of balance, we may experience low self-esteem, control issues, or anger. At the heart center is the heart chakra, associated with the color green. This chakra is the bridge between our lower physical energies and the higher spiritual energies. It governs love, compassion, and forgiveness. A balanced heart chakra allows us to love deeply, feel empathy, and cultivate inner peace. An imbalance here can lead to difficulties in relationships, feelings of jealousy, or an inability to forgive. The throat chakra, located in the throat area and associated with the color blue, is the center of communication and expression. It's not just about speaking, but also about listening and expressing our authentic selves. When this chakra is open and balanced, we can communicate clearly and truthfully. An imbalance might manifest as difficulty in expressing oneself, lying, or a lack of communication skills. The third eye chakra, situated between the eyebrows and linked with the color indigo, is our center of intuition and foresight. This chakra enables us to see beyond the physical realm and connect with our inner wisdom. A balanced third eye chakra enhances our intuition, imagination, and ability to think clearly. When it's blocked, we might experience confusion, lack of insight, or an overactive imagination leading to paranoia. Finally, we reach the crown chakra, at the top of the head and associated with the color violet or white. This chakra represents our connection to the divine and the universe. It's the gateway to higher consciousness and spiritual enlightenment. When the crown chakra is balanced, we feel a sense of unity and bliss. An imbalance may cause feelings of disconnection, spiritual doubt, or lack of purpose. These chakras are not just esoteric concepts, they can have practical implications for our daily lives. For instance, have you ever felt a gut feeling about something? That's your solar plexus chakra at work, sending you intuitive messages. Or perhaps you've experienced a heavy heart during a sad moment, indicating an active heart chakra processing emotions. These experiences suggest that chakras are not just spiritual, but also closely tied to our physical and emotional well-being. Balancing these chakras can lead to a harmonious life where mind, body, and spirit are aligned. There are various ways to balance your chakras, including meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, and even certain dietary choices. For example, meditating on the color associated with a specific chakra or chanting mantras can help in aligning that energy center. Physical activities like yoga poses can also stimulate these chakras and promote balance. Another practical method is through mindfulness and awareness. Simply being conscious of the state of your chakras and your body's energy flow can lead to self-discovery and healing. For example, if you notice you're having difficulty speaking your truth, it might be worth focusing on opening and balancing your throat chakra. This awareness can serve as a guide to understanding yourself better and making positive changes. Now, you might be wondering, how can I tell if my chakras are out of balance? One way is to pay attention to your physical and emotional state. Each chakra corresponds to specific parts of the body and emotional patterns. For example, frequent headaches could indicate an issue with the third eye or crown chakra, while digestive problems might suggest an imbalance in the solar plexus chakra. Emotional indicators can also be telling. If you're feeling unusually fearful or insecure, your root chakra might need attention. Feeling overly emotional or detached could point to issues with the sacral chakra. These signs are your body's way of communicating that something needs to be addressed, and understanding the chakras provides a framework for this self-exploration. One intriguing aspect of chakras is their connection to color therapy. The colors associated with each chakra can be used to enhance or balance that energy center. For instance, wearing clothes or surrounding yourself with a color blue can help activate and balance the throat chakra. Similarly, visualizing a vibrant red can help ground and stabilize the root chakra. This simple yet effective practice can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Essential oils and crystals are another popular way to balance chakras. Each chakra resonates with specific scents and stones. For example, lavender essential oil is soothing for the crown chakra, while rose quartz is excellent for healing the heart chakra. Using these tools can enhance your meditation practices or simply bring a sense of peace and balance to your space. The practice of Reiki is also often used to balance chakras. Reiki is a form of energy healing that involves channeling energy into the body to restore balance. A Reiki practitioner can help clear blocked energy, allowing the chakras to function optimally. This practice can be particularly beneficial for those who feel disconnected from their spiritual or emotional selves. Incorporating these practices into your life can bring profound changes. For example, a daily meditation focusing on the chakras can help you start the day with a clear and balanced mindset. Yoga routines that target specific chakras can also be a powerful way to integrate these teachings into your physical exercise routine. Even something as simple as a daily affirmation related to a specific chakra can set a positive tone for your day. It's important to note that chakra work is a personal journey. What works for one person may not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to explore and find what resonates with you. Whether you're new to the concept of chakras or have been practicing for years, there's always something new to learn and discover. The journey of balancing your chakras is ongoing and evolves as you grow and change. Now that we've explored the basics of chakras, it's time to delve deeper. We encourage you to explore other videos on our channel, such as the ABC of Dream Symbols, your complete A to Z guide to understanding night messages, where we delve into the fascinating world of dream interpretation. Just as understanding chakras can enhance your waking life, Understanding your dreams can offer profound insights into your subconscious. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. Which chakra resonated most with you today? Do you have any personal experiences or questions about chakras that you'd like to share? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. We're excited to continue this journey of discovery with you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us continue bringing valuable and inspiring content. Also, check out the useful links in the description below this video. Be sure to watch our next practical video, 100% working method of fulfilling desires. Law of attraction, money, wealth, relationships. We will teach you specific, practical, and proven methods for manifesting your deepest desires using the law of attraction. Whether you want to improve your financial situation, find true love, or simply live a more fulfilling life, this video will provide you with actionable steps to make your dreams a reality. Don't miss this important video. Thank you again for being with us. Until next time, may your journey be filled with peace, knowledge, and abundance.